we are discussing ballistic missile defense. With successful test of air defense second and air defense first in recent times. Ballistic missile defense is based on use of interceptor missiles, which are also described as kill vehicles. And these interceptor missiles kill vehicles are part of air defense system of India. Interceptor missiles kill vehicles are launch vehicles with payload. Meant for intercepting incoming hostile ballistic missiles and killing and destroying them before they hit us. So remember that anti-ballistic missiles interceptor missiles kill vehicles required very accurate command and control, guidance system to detect targets and accurately intercepting and destroying. With successful test of air defense second and air defense first, India has joined elite club of USA, Russia, China, and Israel to develop ballistic missile defense. So India is the fifth country to join this elite club. Remember that first phase of ballistic missile defense was based on advanced air defense, which was endospheric interceptor missile, and Prithvi air defense, which was exospheric interceptor missile. Now, air defense second and air defense first are part of second phase of ballistic missile defense. So now question arises, how second phase is different from first phase. So air defense second and air defense first are capable to intercept intermediate range and long range ballistic missiles. In these two missiles, air defense second is exospheric air defense या interceptor missile, whereas air defense first is endospheric. Remember that exospheric interception is in case of interception of nuclear capable ballistic missile is safer compared to endospheric interception and kill. And these two missiles are hypersonic, their speed ranging from 6 Mach to 7 Mach. 1 Mach is equal to speed of sound 332 meter per second. Now question arises, why these missiles matter to India? Remember that nuclear doctrine of India is based on minimum credible deterrence with no first use. So given official policy of India with no first use, India is required to survive first nuclear strike from hostile nation states like China and Pakistan. In light of this, India is required to have strong air defense to survive attack from nuclear capable ballistic missiles. Now, if India has been struck with nuclear capable ballistic missiles, then India is required to intercept and kill incoming nuclear capable ballistic missiles, and India is now required to take second year retaliatory nuclear strike to inflict unacceptable damages. And for that, we have already studied in the report of CIPRI, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, India has mated approximately 12 of nuclear warheads with their launchers to enable India to take immediate second strike. In the case nuclear deterrence is failed and India is attacked with nuclear weapons. So, approximately 12 nuclear warheads are mounted on their launchers, enabling India to take immediate strikes in the case of growing hostilities, failure of deterrence, and India attacked with first use of nuclear weapons. Now, other than air defense second and air defense first, India also tested novel anti-ship missile medium range. It is a subsonic missile with a range of 350 kilometer, payload 200 kg. It is sea skimming, means it travels close to sea level to avoid detection. And it is capable to take and destroy small to medium warships. Thus, novel anti-ship missile medium range is important for, crucial for maritime security. Means securing India and its vital interest from sea-based attacks. Thank you all.